levels at China's Three Gorges Dam are at their highest ever as months of torrential rain overwhelm the country's flood defenses and threaten its economic recovery. Three Gorges Dam was at 75,000 cubic meters a second. The deluge has tested a massive network of tens of thousands of dams and levees built by the Chinese government along the Yangtze River and its tributaries to minimize damage from annual floods. The Three Gorges Dam, which cost about RMB 200 billion $29 billion to build over 2 decades and displaced more than 1 million people, is the centerpiece of a system that some environmentalists say has not been worth the investment in the face of extreme weather caused by rising global temperatures. The severity of the floods showed how the dam has proved less effective than its proposers hoped. The floods had displaced 490,000 people in Sichuan, damaged 165,000 hectares of cropland, destroyed 2,155 buildings and caused RMB 16.4 billion $2.37 billion in direct economic disruption to farming in Sichuan. China's leading pig producer threatens to further hamper efforts to rebuild China's hog herd. Companies based near the upstream Yangtze in southwestern Sichuan province and Chongqing City halted operations after factories were submerged.